All right, here we go. This is my final recording for you for the semester. I know that you are super excited and that you are ready to finish strong. You guys have done such a fantastic job this semester. I can't wait to see what you do with the final project. This video is going to cover session 14 and session 15. Both sessions are devoted to your final project work. Session 14 will not have an assignment that you submit. It only requires you to access your assigned topic assignment and access directions to get started. Because I am giving you 2 solid weeks to do this assignment and releasing it well in advance of the deadline, there is absolutely no extensions provided. When session 15's final deadline approaches, you need to have everything submitted and you do not need to wait until the last minute to get this done. Remember, there is a 24-hour turnaround time on emails. Therefore, if you email me within 24 hours of the deadline, that does not give me enough time to respond to you and solve any problems that you might have. So my humble suggestion to you is to not put this assignment off. Get this done and attempt to submit as quickly as possible. Review the assignment directions and email me with your questions as soon as you have them. Waiting until the last minute is going to be detrimental to your final course average, as this final project is a large portion of your final grade. With that, I'm going to get started with the directions. Every student in the class has been assigned a specific global topic for your final project. The link in session 14 Final Project Topic Assignment is where you will go to figure out what you have been assigned. When you access this document, you are going to see a first initial and last initial column beside a last 3 digit of your NCC student ID number column. This is how you figure out who you are. It is in alphabetical order, so you will figure out what your last name is, match it with your first initial and those last 3 digits of your student ID, and then you will see your final project topic that has been assigned to you on the screen. Review that now and ask questions if you have them. I have also done my very best to try to locate for you where in the book you can kind of sort of get a starting point of the topic. You should be using way more than just your book to accomplish this project. The chapters that I have written beside your project topics are just to get you started on finding a little bit of information. Your final project is going to be a 2-part piece. The first part is going to be a Google Slides presentation. And then once you have created that presentation and submitted it, you are going to do a VoiceThread video for me summarizing what you have learned. So on this screen, you will see the directions for the presentation. You are going to create a Google Slides presentation that includes all of the following. Some sort of topic slide that clearly identifies what your topic is. You are going to have slides that discuss with me what the sociological relevance is of your topic, where the country or where around the world a country or countries this particular topic takes place, and then find some sort of additional information that further understands or further explains the understanding of that topic. There may be a historical story that goes along with it that explains why that topic exists. It may be deep embedded in the culture in that country. It may be from some sort of political unrest, something like that. That additional information that really just gives you a deep understanding of your topic. And then you're going to explain different perspectives. So these are just some thought-provoking questions depending upon what your topic is. You know, why does it exist? What does it mean? What does it signify? Is it controversial? Is it controversial just in that culture, just in that country? Is it controversial around the world? Why? Why do some people think it's okay and some people don't think it's okay? So just kind of do a deep dive of different perspectives surrounding that topic. You're going to then provide some sort of personal reflection slide. You know, finishing researching, reflect back on that topic. How do you feel about it? What did you learn? What did you gain? What can you apply in your own life with that information? And then I do need a works cited slide. So any resource that's used needs to be listed there. And if you use any electronic resources, such as web pages, those need to be linked and the links should work. Keep in mind that your slides should be professional in nature. I should be able to tell that you put forth time and energy and effort. Those slides should not be covered in just text. So you're going to use bullets and short statements. You're going to use images that relate to your topic. The more images that you can find that are truly relate to your topic truly does enhance your presentation. There must be evidence of proper grammar and proofreading. There is no slide limit, so you can certainly use these bullets up here at the top and kind of expand there. But when you do your video, you just are not able to look at your presentation and read it off to me. Okay. Once you get that presentation done, you are going to submit it in the submission link in session 15. Keep in mind, 14 and 15 are all about the final project. Once you are finished with your Google Slides presentation, you are going to record a video via a thread in Moodle called VoiceThread. This is something that's embedded in Moodle that you click on and it pops up. You follow the directions that I have provided here and you're able to record yourself in the screen. Now I do have directions here and I will tell you this is very important that you try this early. Attempt to do this early because sometimes there are glitches that occur in Moodle with this particular plugin. Sometimes I go in and I get directions ready and then by the time students are doing the project, the directions need to be altered. So I'm going to ask that you pay very close attention to this. Do this early. Emailing me the night the project is due saying that you cannot get the video recording to work is not going to be an excuse. You need to do this early. All right, here are the directions. You'll click on the link in Moodle under session 15. You will see some sort of screen that looks like this. You're going to click on the record video slide. That's going to pop up. Pull up your camera and your microphone. You're going to click a button that says start recording. It's going to look like this. If for some reason you see this message, you are going to select open in a new tab. Those directions are here for you. And then you are going to say allow because you need to allow your microphone and your camera to be used. Then you will see a countdown starting to occur. And then you will be able to record your video. When you are finished with your video, you are going to click the button Stop Recording. Your video will play for you, and if you're satisfied with it, click Save. And then you will click on a yellow Submit button on the right of the screen, and that will make the video submit in Moodle. You will get a message that tells you your video has been submitted. Make sure that you get that message. That is super important. All right, your video is just going to be a no more than 4-minute summary and reflection video for me. So essentially, I should be able to look at your Google Slides presentation, click through, and then I should be able to listen to your VoiceThread video and have a thorough understanding of what you researched, what you learned, what you discovered, information, tidbits about it, and then how you feel, your reflection, how it is sociologically significant. All of those things will be in your video. Remember, the video is 4 minutes or less, so you're going to need to do some preparation, not looking at the slide presentation and just reading while you are doing the video. The video should be very much like you are in my office, sitting in my chair, and you're just telling me about your final project. That is what your video should be. Okay, I have talked a lot, and I hope that you are ready to get started. Please go ahead and access your final project topic. Go ahead and get started looking for information surrounding that topic and get as much done as possible and early. Make sure that you reach out to me early if you have questions and concerns. Again, do not wait until Monday, December the 5th to get started on this. I will remind you that Nash Community College has a 24-hour requirement on email communication with students. So if you email me, I am allowed 24 hours to respond. So if you wait until it's too close to the deadline and I am crazy swamped with all grading and emails, it may be close to 24 hours before I'm able to respond to you. I certainly try not to make it 24 hours, but I am allowed 24 hours. So not working ahead is going to be detrimental to your grade if you run into issues or questions. I am always here. Y'all reach out to me, send me an email. I am here to help you. I just need you to make sure that you give yourself enough time to do this project in the manner in which it should be done. This is your final project. It's worth a lot of your final grade. So put forth some effort and some energy and have fun learning about something new across the globe.